Sending USDT to Tonkeeper wallet is pretty simple thing to do in 2024. So you just need to follow these steps. So first thing first is open up Tonkeeper wallet on your device. If you don't have the Tonkeeper wallet app installed, download it from Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Access your wallet, log into your wallet. If it's your first time, you might need to set up your wallet by creating a new one or importing an existing one. After that, you need to find your wallet address. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can receive token. This might be labeled as receive or similar. Select USDT for the list of cryptocurrency if necessary. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code presented. This is the address in which where you're gonna send the USDT from your application. So initiate the transfer from the sending wallet. For example, you are sending from Binance, you just need to put your or Tonkeeper wallet address to your Binance account address. So that's how you're gonna transfer it. So after that, you just need to confirm the transaction, verify the transaction, keep an eye on the wallet. Once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT should appear in your Tonkeeper wallet. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please consider liking, subscribing to my channel. This is me signing out. Take care. Bye bye.